Tackling big painting projects with just a brush and roller can be slow, streaky, and exhausting. Airless paint sprayers speed things up while giving you smoother, more professional-looking coverage on walls, fences, and furniture. In this video to the best airless paint sprayers, we'll explain power, tips, hose length, and cleanup so you can choose confidently for your next project. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the VEVOR Stand Airless Paint Sprayer. If you're tackling medium to large painting projects and want them done faster with a smoother finish, the VEVOR Stand Airless Paint Sprayer is built to help you work smarter. Its 750-watt motor delivers up to 3,000 pounds per square inch of pressure with a max flow rate of 1.2 liters per minute, so you can cover big areas quickly, up to 5 times faster than rolling and 12 times faster than brushing. You don't have to worry as much about streaks, clogs, or uneven coverage. Professional-grade accessories and fan-shaped atomization create a fine, even spray that helps you achieve a consistent finish while using paint more efficiently. Durability is built in. The adjustable motor, professional rubber hose, and full metal frame are designed to handle demanding jobs with high strength, wear resistance, and heat resistance, making this sprayer a solid partner for repeated use around the house or job site. When it's time to clean up, the detachable pump body and included cleaning brush make it easier to reach tight spots and internal crevices. The extension pole lets you spray high areas or low sections without constantly bending or climbing, reducing strain on your back and legs. With infinite speed control, you can adjust output based on the surface, material, and paint thickness. Use higher speeds for quick coverage or drop to a lower gear to reduce paint consumption and control overspray. If you want a sprayer that combines speed, control, and durability, this VEVOR model fits right into your project lineup. At number 4, Wagner Spraytech Control Pro 130 Airless Paint Sprayer. If you're ready to stop fighting with rollers and brushes on big projects, the Wagner Spraytech Control Pro 130 Airless Paint Sprayer is designed to speed things up and smooth things out. It applies paint up to 3x faster than a roller, with far less overspray, so you can get through siding, fences, sheds, or large decks in a lot less time. You can use it with a wide range of unthinned interior and exterior paints and stains, so you don't have to fuss with constant mixing or thinning. The gravity-fed tank makes priming and cleaning simpler and less messy, helping you get started and finished without a lot of extra steps. Thanks to high-efficiency airless technology, the Control Pro 130 reduces overspray by up to 55% compared to traditional airless sprayers. That softer, more controlled spray pattern gives you a more even finish and means less paint floating everywhere, which cuts down on prep work and cleanup. The stationary design holds up to 1.5 gallons of material in the built-in hopper and includes a 25-foot hose, so you can keep spraying continuously without stopping to refill every few minutes. You stay focused on the work instead of your gear. If you want a reliable sprayer that helps you finish large painting or staining jobs faster with better control and less waste, this Wagner model is a strong upgrade for your DIY toolkit. Number 3, we have the InoKraft MaXpray M1 Airless Paint Sprayer. If you're ready to upgrade your DIY painting from slow brushes and rollers to something faster and more professional, the InoKraft MaXpray M1 Airless Paint Sprayer is built for you. Designed for projects up to about 10 gallons. It's a strong match for interior walls and furniture, as well as exterior decks, siding, fences, garages, and small shops. The spray gun's 360-degree swivel joint gives you better control and agility, helping you maintain a smooth, consistent spray pattern at different angles. With the AtoMax airless spray tip, you can spray most paints and stains without pre-thinning. You get an even, professional-looking finish while minimizing overspray, which helps you save paint and reduce waste. A robust, high-performance motor keeps the spray pattern consistent so your results look uniform from start to finish. Cleanup is designed to be quick and less frustrating. The Flush Ease valve lets you clean the system in around 10 minutes, so you spend more time painting and less time rinsing. The included 12-inch tip extension helps you reach higher areas more comfortably, reducing strain on your back and cutting down on ladder time. If you want a sprayer that makes big projects feel manageable and delivers results that look closer to contractor work, the MaXpray M1 is ready to be your go-to DIY partner. At number 2, Graco Magnum Project Painter Plus Airless Paint Sprayer. If you're a DIYer who wants to finish projects faster and with a smoother finish, the Graco Magnum Project Painter Plus Airless Paint Sprayer is made for you. Instead of wrestling with brushes and rollers, you can spray walls, fences, furniture, or trims quickly and evenly, saving both time and energy. It's ideal for jobs up to about 5 gallons, giving you enough capacity to handle several projects each year. From a bedroom refresh to repainting doors, railings, or sheds. With fully adjustable pressure control, you can fine-tune the flow to spray paints or stains unthinned, so you get better coverage without constantly stopping to mix or dilute. The flexible suction tube lets you spray directly from a 1 or 5 gallon paint bucket, which keeps you working steadily instead of refilling trays. When you need to reach higher spots or second stories, the sprayer supports up to 50 feet of paint hose without sacrificing performance, so you can leave the unit safely on the ground. Its low-profile, stable design helps prevent tipping while you work, and the integrated pail hook lets you carry the sprayer and paint bucket together in one easy move. If you're ready to upgrade from hand tools to a more efficient, professional-style painting setup, this airless sprayer can quickly become the centerpiece of your home project toolkit. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Graco Magnum X 5-stand airless paint sprayer. If you're a DIY homeowner or remodeler who's tired of slow rollers and uneven brush marks, the Graco Magnum X 5-stand airless paint sprayer is built to give you more power and freedom on bigger jobs. It's ideal for projects up to about 10 gallons of paint, so you can tackle rooms, fences, decks, or even full exteriors and still have capacity to handle multiple projects each year. You're in control of the finish thanks to the fully adjustable pressure. Dial it up or down to spray paints or stains unthinned at the pressure that works best for your material and surface. That means less thinning, fewer coats, and a more consistent, professional-looking result. The flexible suction tube lets you spray directly from a 1 or 5 gallon bucket, which saves you from constantly refilling smaller containers and keeps you moving instead of stopping and starting. When you're working on taller spaces or second stories, the X5 really shows its value. It supports up to 75 feet of paint hose without sacrificing performance, so you can reach peaks and high walls while keeping the sprayer safely on the ground. With its durable stainless steel components and stand design, this sprayer is built to stay stable while you work and to hold up over multiple seasons of use. If you want to finish larger projects faster and with a smoother, more even finish, this airless sprayer can quickly become one of your go-to tools. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which airless paint sprayer you're considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.